Hello friends, my name is Vishal and today I am going to review this particular desktop computer, which is a Asus G21 Huracan. It is one of their higher end desktops. It's a pre-built desktop in their ROG series. It's a great gaming platform. It opens up on the side and it has an intake on this side and everything. So yeah, lights and everything, very fancy stuff. But I didn't have a very good experience with it at all, and I'm going to talk about it today. We purchased this particular computer in February, beginning February 4th, I believe, and we paid 2.3 lakhs or thereabout, so that's almost $3,000. So that's fine. We wanted a powerful computer, we bought it. So we removed it from the box, we checked it, and then we kept it because the person who was supposed to use it would be joining at a later date. I think on 20 or 21st of February, I turned it on to, I tried to turn it on because I wanted to install some software on it. So it wouldn't turn on, so I contacted the dealer in Ahmedabad, which is where we are based at, and they asked me to contact Asus call center. So I did that. So, they took me through basic troubleshooting, which I had already done, but still I said, okay, let's go ahead and do it. So at the end of the troubleshooting, they found that, it can't be fixed over phone. So they arranged for a technician to visit our office. So the technician came, and of course I'll share the relevant, service number that they generated for me. So the technician came, and I didn't think he was very familiar with the system. Anyways, he did basic troubleshooting like swapping the cables, adapter and whatnot. So then finally he told me that they'll need to take it to the service center. So he gave me the slip wherein, he filled in all the details, serial number and everything, and it went to the service center. Couple of days after that, I got a call saying that the motherboard on this desktop had gone and they'll need to replace it, and it will take a couple of days. So that's when I got pissed off. I mean, this is a very expensive computer, right? And it's supposed to work, but it was technically not working out of the box as such. And what they did was they replaced the motherboard and all. What I expect is a complete replacement, and Asus, if you are listening, you should really look at your QA process. You are sending out substandard components, so to speak. I'm sorry to say, but that's a fact. It's after paying so much, if we have to wait and, get it fixed, then I might as well buy a used computer or a refurbished computer. Do you get my point? So this is completely unacceptable, and to all those who are planning to buy G21 or other high-end desktop computers, be careful and be prepared for what you are going to get ahead. So yeah, so that's end of my rant, and that's it. I'll just show you a couple of tags on this particular computer, so which were put during servicing. So as you can see, there are tags over here, and then there is a tag over here. I'll just turn it off. There is a tag over here. See, so this is unacceptable. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.